All right, now that our potatoes have incorporated the pear puree, take our spoon and we'll add these in the back. If we have any big chunks of pear, we want to try and put those up at the top so that they can be seen. Then we'll come back to our oven and we'll put out our cheese. You can see it's just started to melt and turn a little bit brown. So we're going to scoop those up all together in one piece. Take the rest of our mushrooms and onions and place those on top. And then finally we'll come to our chicken. The sauce should be nice and bubbly. So we're going to remove our piece of chicken and place that right in front, leaving up just a little bit on the potatoes. And now we want to come back and get our big chunks out of here. Start at the top and spread them. They'll fall down over the chicken. Now we want to get just a little bit more of this sauce. We'll pour that over the top. And then here we are, our roasted asparagus with oyster mushrooms and baked Parmesan with our roasted pear puree mashed potatoes and our rosemary capicola chicken.